Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is an excellent choice for residents of Los Gatos, California 95032 who are having a water heater malfunction. The company is renowned for providing top-notch services for water heater failure. Are you looking for water heater failure near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. How do I maintain my water heater? Set the temperature between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, flush the tank once a year to get rid of sediment, and check the pressure relief valve frequently to keep your water heater in good working order. Additionally, look for corrosion or leaks near the tank. How do you prevent water heater damage? Regularly check for leaks, flush the tank to get rid of sediment, check the pressure relief valve, and adjust the thermostat to 120 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent overheating in order to prevent water heater failure. By scheduling expert maintenance with Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Los Gatos, CA 95032, you can lower the chance of harm by identifying and resolving problems early. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair /